How to reload your balance on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. On any web browser, you want to search for Amazon.com and log into your account. From Accounts and List, click on Account. Then from all of these options, click on Gift Cards. Then on this page, you want to click on the Reload Your Balance option. This is going to redirect you to the Amazon Reload page. On this page, you can add funds directly to your Amazon gift card balance, then use your balance to manage how much you spend while shopping. Now on the right hand side, you can choose your limit. So from here, you can choose the amount that you want to set. Then you want to click on the Buy Now option. Then on the next page, you have to choose your payment method and then enter all of the details. Then click on Use this payment method. Now you also have the option of auto reload. For that, you want to click on the Set Auto Reload option. Then from here, you can choose your auto reload type. You can schedule an automatic reload of your balance on a regular frequency. For that, select your reload amount, then select the frequency. You can choose between every 2 weeks, weekly or daily. Then you can choose your starting date. You also have the option to auto reload when your balance gets low. After you have selected the type, you can click on Save Your Auto Reload Settings and your auto reload will be set. And this is how you can reload your balance on Amazon. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.